episode today, White Sands National Park, New Mexico. Well, the most famous, well, not the most famous people, they're that moved to Mexico after the X Files scandal. Go back to 2002, they put a coffee in the Citizen Anderson on their final episode. What was their final episode on season 9 of the X Files? But it was real though. So, a lot of like fond memories of New Mexico feeling that day. But it took like a decade, almost a decade later, to him to have another song called Molest, Malice, is what it's called. He did a Pet Cemetery movie. Yeah, I guess a comedy movie. And like he been slowly going back. I guess the actor is been now like a actor favorite of that file. So it's been good for him. Well, they was very much of a like a good rainy day, and that was mostly like a lot all day. Russell. You know, there was some, but that stage bar, see that Cinnamon Jr.